Hello. So this is the two-in-one mosquito system. This is what you will receive. You will have a garden hose adapter. This part right here, this bracket is for the filter. This would be the garden hose adapter, which is for your inlet of your water. That goes into this filter, which goes into the inlet of the pump, as you can see, right over here. And now you'll see on this pump, we have labeled on the mosquito side to turn on and off. And then over here we have the cooling side to turn on and off. You have your outlets here for your water sources to be coming out of there. And then we have the cooling smartphone controller labeled for this side right here. And then you plug that into this side, which goes into your outlet on the end over here. And that's how you use that. Same thing for the mosquito. We have it labeled for you. So you actually plug that in as well. And that goes into your outlet as well. Very simple, very easy setup, for you to be able to control that. And then from there, we have this labeled and ready for you to kind of pry open. And as you can see, you will have your tanks right here. We have it labeled for you to mix your solution. This is where you will put your solution. It then goes into the other tank. Um, from here, this is where you'll add solution, and then it goes into the other tank, which is where it will dilute to, and it goes back out into your system out here on the outlet of the unit. So basically it just travels from the solution all the way out to here, and then it just mists out.